Hey, how you doing? Justin back with you for a look at the E minor chord. Okay, this is probably the easiest chord that we've looked at so far. If you think, you start off with the regular E major chord, which you should all be familiar with. And then we're just going to lift off the first finger to leave the open third string. Now, when you're pressing down the third string with your first finger, it lowers it just a tiny bit. So one thing that people sometimes find is that when they lift off their first finger, that their third finger somehow lying down a bit more and muting that third string. Now, if you're muting that third string, you won't hear whether it's major or minor. That's the string where you're going to hear the major or minor quality of the chord. It's only happening on that third string. So really important that the third finger here is nicely on the tip. Because if it's laying down too much and you mute that third string... Interestingly, I just managed to sneak it in. I was muting. When I put my first finger down, it pressed the string enough, and now it's just muting it for the minor. Okay, so when you're doing your strum, pick out strum for the E minor, the key thing, the note that you really want to target, is that third string. You want to strum, just check the third string is ringing out. Don't be happy to just strum it. Oh yeah, I'm good, because if you go and check, that third string isn't ringing out. That's the most important note to check out when you're practicing your E minor chord. Otherwise, you'll probably find it a pretty easy chord to add to your arsenal.